My name is John Barker, the award-winning pitmaster at Skull and Mortar and Beach Bum Barbecue, and today I'm going to teach you how to take a regular store-bought ham and turn it into a delicious double smoked ham just in time for Easter using the Auto Ignite. The first thing we're going to do is take some regular spray oil you can get anywhere at any store, and we're just going to spray down the entire outside of this ham. This is really going to help the rub adhere and stick to this ham long enough for it to get smoked in. Next thing you want to do is grab your favorite rub. I'll be using Skull and Mortar's OG barbecue rub, and I'm just going to really nail this down. Go ahead and pull it back some, open it up, and get some of that rub inside the folds too. It just gives you the opportunity to pack more flavor into this store-bought ham. Guys, and that's literally all the prep it takes. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get it on our Auto Ignite, which we've set to 250 degrees, and we're gonna let it do its thing until it gets to an internal temperature of about 125 degrees. We're only looking to bring it up to about 140 to serve, so let's go. Now this ham is looking phenomenal, as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit it with some glaze. Now, I took the liberty of making this glaze beforehand. It's got pineapple, it's got a can of pineapple tidbits in it. It's got an entire jar of peach preserves. You just want to make sure you cover this up as much as possible here. It's got about 1/4 of a cup of honey in it, and it's also got about 2 teaspoons of brown sugar in it. That's going to give you an amazing pineapple peach rub. The honey is going to pop out that sweetness. And this is exactly what we're looking for. The chunks on here, I like a chunky glaze because I feel like it just adds to a great texture. So this is exactly what we're looking for. We're gonna get this back on the smoker. We're gonna keep the temperature at 250 degrees. We got our ham up to a perfect 145 degrees. That peach glaze is set perfectly, and I'm ready to dig into this one. First off though, look at that. Look at that. Be a little safer with your knife though, guys. Look at this ham here. Look how delicious this looks. Rub, glaze, come on, man. I can't wait to try this. This ham is hot, but I'm going in. It's so tender. It's so flavorful, it's so juicy. You can literally see juice just dripping off of this thing. Guys, all we did with this is we took a store-bought ham, we re-seasoned it using our rub and some spray oil. We tossed it on the smoker until it got to about 125 degrees. We hit it with that peach and pineapple glaze, and then we threw it on until it got to an internal temperature of 145.
And we have a killer Easter ham. Thank you for watching Flavors of the Fire.
I'm John Barker, and we'll see you next time.